Hey, what's going on, guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're doing a charging speed test between the OnePlus 8T, Galaxy S20 FE, OnePlus 8 Pro, and the Pixel 4a. Before I get too deep into this video, Jerry, listen, man, you've watched my video for so many times. You didn't hit that subscribe button. I'm calling you out today, Jerry, by name. Hit that subscribe button right now. All right, let's resume the video. To set the table, we need to talk about the battery size and also the charging brick wattage to kind of get a prediction of what type of speeds we're looking at. The OnePlus 8T has a 4500 milliamp battery with a 65 watt charger. The S20 FE has a 4500 milliamp battery, but it has a slower charging brick that comes in the box. The OnePlus 8 Pro has a 4510 milliamp battery with a 30 watt warp charger, and then the Pixel 4a has a 3180 milliamp battery with their fast charging method at 18 watts. All the phones are completely dead. I drained the batteries, and then I plugged in each phone with the respective charging brick into a power strip. Now, I am interested in your predictions. What do you think the OnePlus 8T is going to end up at with the 65 watt charger for 30 minutes? Leave it down below. I'm really interested in seeing your results. Regardless, let's begin the test. Okay, the clock is set for 30 minutes, and every 5 minutes, I'll be checking the status of each battery. At the 25-minute mark, this is our first check-in. The OnePlus 8T is at 24%, OnePlus 8 Pro is at 14%, the Pixel and the FE are tied at 7%. So far, the 8T is really impressive, giving you 1/4 of a full battery in 5 minutes. I wonder if it'll be at 50% next time we check in at the 20-minute mark. At the 20-minute mark check-in, the 8T is at 45% battery, 8 Pro is at 26%, Pixel is at 17%, and the FE is at 14%. So it does appear the charging speeds are not going to be linear, which is expected. But let's head over to the 15-minute mark, which is the halfway point of this test. The 8T jumped to 61%, the 8 Pro is at 38%, Pixel is at 26%, and the FE is at 21%. At the 10-minute mark, we have 75% with the 8T, 48 on the Pro, 34 on the Pixel, and 27 on the FE. Now 5 minutes left to go, coming down the home stretch, a whopping 88% on the 8T, 58% on the 8 Pro, 43% on the Pixel 4a, and 33% on the FE. Okay, the test is finally done. It's been a full 30 minutes of charging. Let's turn on all the phones and head to battery stats to see where we are. The OnePlus 8T almost made it to a full 100%. It's at 97%. The 8 Pro, although not as impressive as the 8T, it still has a solid 68%, 51% on the Pixel, and the FE is only at 39%. Overall, the 65 watt charger is the real deal. The charging speeds are crazy, and OnePlus really nailed it with the charging speeds on the 8T. I know there's other phones out there that has bigger chargers and things like that. I'll get a chance to check those out later, but as far as what I have right now and looking at OnePlus's lineup, the 8T is the real deal. Anyways, guys, that was a quick charging test. Let me know what your thoughts are. Is charging enough for you to make you want to get a phone, or are you a person that charge up at night and then during the day it doesn't matter too much because your battery life lasts the full day? I do want to know. Anyways, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja, have a great day. I'll catch you later. Peace.